Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Lovable to GitHub. So by connecting your Lovable AI project to GitHub, you can collaborate on the code and edit everything directly at the source. So let's start. First, open Lovable and then choose the project you want to connect. Once you're inside your project, go to the top right corner and click on this GitHub icon. So this will let you sync your project with GitHub for two-way collaboration. So click on this. And now you have to do is click on this connect project. And now, so if you're new, it will open a pop-up window asking you to log into your GitHub account. So just enter your email and password and then click on sign in. Once you're signed in, it will authorize the lovable.dev and so it can access your repository. So next, you will have the option to add Lovable workspace to a GitHub organization. So you have to click on add organization and then you have to click install and authorized. Now you can allow to access all the repository or you can choose a specific one depending on your preference. So once you have installed your authorized and toggle the connection on, you will be able to transfer the project from Lovable into GitHub organization, and you have to do is click continue and then connect to finish the setup. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.